Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Comprehensive Guide, Troubleshooting and Fixing Chrome Crashing Issues on Android. Chrome crashing on Android is a frustrating problem that can stem from various sources. This comprehensive guide will walk you through identifying the cause of the crashes and provide step-by-step solutions, including potential code adjustments if the crashes are related to web development. We will cover everything from basic troubleshooting to more advanced debugging techniques. Understanding the problem and initial checks. Before diving into complex solutions, it's vital to understand the landscape of potential causes for Chrome crashes. Resource constraints. Android devices have limited memory, RAM, and processing power. Chrome, especially with multiple tabs or complex web applications, can easily consume these resources, leading to crashes. Software bugs. Bugs within Chrome itself or the Android operating system can trigger crashes. Conflicting apps. Certain apps might interfere with Chrome's functionality, causing instability. Corrupted data. Corrupted Chrome data, cache, cookies, browsing history, can lead to unexpected crashes. Outdated software. Using an outdated version of Chrome or Android can expose you to known bugs and vulnerabilities that cause crashes.